During the summer, when I had time to think about this project, I decided, would it be possible to construct a Meccano bridge across the Lagan? Even if we just posed the question to the students and let them say, this is impossible, we'll do the conceptual work, it can't be done. It was an educational exercise, that's the purpose of it.
We ensured that the theory that they learn in lectures and the design work that they do in this particular project is actually come together in a real artefact.
We had to pretty quickly make a decision, are we actually going to build this bridge or not? Because we'd have to order an awful lot of Meccano. We sat down with our contractor, McLaughlin Harvey.
McLaughlin Harvey is a civil engineering contractor, very experienced in marine and bridge engineering. We were asked to become involved by Queen's and lead in the actual installation methodology of lifting the bridge from where it was constructed by the students into place.
Pick it up vertically, as the crane brings it up vertically. We're used to coming to projects when the design solution has already been determined, and we're probably used to then looking at the equipment and resources we need to install something like the Meccano bridge. It really grabs your imagination and what can be achieved.
It does seem quite fitting that we did actually end up going back to Sailortown, where Belfast's industrial heartland developed.
I mean, stepping onto the bridge and being the first to go across it, I mean, the emotions were very intense. I had a fantastic feeling of pride in what my staff had initiated, what Danny had started.
And I can confirm that this is the largest Meccano structure in the world, and it's a brand new Guinness World Records.
Our success, the success of our staff and students, will be recorded for all time in history as a consequence of going into the Guinness World Records.
As a child, we maybe played with construction toys, played with Meccano, played with other materials that influenced our choices and formed us as people.
I stayed at my grandparents' house. They used to pull out boxes of Meccano from one of my dad's old toys.
And I remember building a scale model of a tower bridge in London with the opening gates. This was obviously back in the 1960s when I was doing this.
I did have a few friends that had Meccano, but unfortunately I was more of a Lego.
If I had done this at university, it's something I would have remembered for the rest of my life. You can just literally see the smiles on their faces as those students walked across the bridge. At the end of it, they had really achieved something. It may have seemed like playfulness and fun, but what's beautiful to me is that the learning was almost disguised and was hidden within that journey, within that process.